Chromatic aberration, or color fringing, can be removed globally through the Lens Corrections panel. This will affect all of the image, but you can use a local adjustment only on the area you want to address. Click on the masking tool and select a brush. Scroll down to the detail section and move the Defringe slider in a plus direction. Brush over the area you want to address. This will affect fringes of all colors. Here is a case where severe global defringing has removed color from part of an image we wouldn't want it to. Turning off the global lens corrections adjustments for a moment shows how the area was originally. With our brush tool selected, we will use a minus value on the Defringe slider to recover the color lost in this area. Brushing over the affected area removes the defringing and revives the color. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.